Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we have an absolutely amazing show for you today. XRP prints the largest bull flag in crypto history. So, guys, let's get to it. So, guys, I suspect that a lot of you are out there noticing, hey, something's missing. Well, of course, it is my hat. And I suppose there's a few of you out there who are thinking, I bet you he doesn't even have a strand of hair underneath that hat. Well, guys, I actually have a pretty nice cap of it up here. And boy, do I want to keep it that way. Wearing that ball cap around all that time, I was getting friction alopecia, which would literally cause the hair to eventually just fall out and off. So we're going to give the hat a rest for a while. But I'll tell you what, one thing we're not going to give a rest to is literally coming out and sharing all of the amazing news that we hear and we get to be reported about this XRP ecosystem. It is truly phenomenal, and today is no exception. Guys, I want you to check this article out right over here. Check out this title. XRP $16 all-time high in play as the coin prints the largest bull flag in history, and not just for XRP, but in crypto history. Just listen to this right here. Ripple promoted XRP has formed a bull flag on its chart, a technical pattern historically associated with explosive upward momentum for the asset. Could it be a sign that XRP is nearing a massive breakout in this cycle after consolidating, now get this guys, for over 2,400 days? Wow. Now, 3T Warrior Academy, 3T Warrior Trading Academy X account. And guys, this is Coach JV, whom Judy and I actually have met. Coach JV, he is an amazing guy, really love him. And in fact, we may even very well get Coach JV on the show down the road here. Now, in a recent post, that XRP has been consolidating for approximately 2,424 days, dating back to the 2017 bull rally, which saw XRP rocket to new all-time highs. Now, at the time, back in 2017, the cross-border payments token jumped 60,000% from the 0.006 level to as high as $3.84 by January of 2018. And the thing is this, guys, literally from one day to the fall. Look, January 4th, 2017, right to January 4th, 2018. Now think about this. You could have put in a $6,000 investment and bought yourself 1 million XRP. And 1 year later to the day, you could have netted out, get this, $3.84 million. Absolutely mind-bending. Now, although a rally of this magnitude might not be possible now, the reason they believe that is because of the liquidity, because of the growth and how much more money it would take in a 60,000% move. But that does not mean that we may not see some phenomenal returns in XRP right there. Now, analysts think XRP price could still register a tremendous rally. Analysts by the pundit indicates that XRP has carved out a bull flag, a classic bullish continuation pattern on the technical charts. Notably, this is not just any bull flag. As the analyst says, it's the largest bull flag in the history of crypto, presumably because the structure has been forming for years. Guys, this is not the first and only time we have heard about this particular pennant. Many technical analysis have been out there, analysts out there, and pointing back to 2017, what happened there and how long we have been in this current trend with XRP. And the potential for a breakout is going to be phenomenal. Now, guys, do I think that this is $16 is the only steam that's going to be in XRP's engine? No, I don't. I think it has the potential to go even greater than that. But needless to say, that is a phenomenal move should we see it. Now, this is what they're saying. Back in 2017, XRP took around 240 days to complete its upsurge. Now, the cryptocurrency is currently trading around 58.47 cents. Of course, they're saying it's having failed to breach the critical 62-cent resistance zone. This level has proved to be a key hurdle for XRP, keeping the asset from continuing its recent rally. Even so, the prospects of a stronger short-term rally towards $16 look strong, as a 4.236 Fibonacci extension could unleash a massive bullish wave. If this happens, it would mean a 2,570% climb from current levels. And people will say, oh, that can't happen. I'm going to tell you something, guys. When that bull run that Judy and I were a part of, and we were buying XRP before this happened, we all know that the SEC came in there in December of 2020 and sued Ripple, and the price of XRP dropped, down to 17.48 cents. Just 4 months later, guys, it was $1.97. And even in that run, with all that pressure, scrutiny, the lawsuit and everything on it, and all the uncertainty about it, and being delisted from August, did a 1,200% return. So is 2,570% with all of the clarity and being relisted and on possible? Guys, I think it's possible, and even more than that potential. That's my personal belief. Now, apart from the bull flag, the recent conclusion, of course, of the nearly 4-year-old case between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the San Francisco-based blockchain payments firm was ordered to pay that $125 million for breaking federal securities laws over the sale of the XRP token to institutional customers. And it wasn't just that they sold it. Those particular sales back in 2013 were wrapped up in investment contracts. And so those ones were securities, but XRP itself was never designated to be a security. Why? Well, guys, the Howey test was applied to it. That's what Judge Annalisa Torres used to adjudicate her decision. And if XRP was a security in and of itself, it would have made the oranges and the Howey test securities. And if that would be so, then I suppose every grocery store in America would have had to register with the SEC to sell the oranges. It wasn't the oranges, guys. It was the investment contract associated with the orange groves and the Howey test. And that's the same deal here. It wasn't XRP that was the security. It was XRP wrapped up in those investment contracts that were back in 2013. But get this. Judge Annalisa Torres did not bar Ripple from selling XRP on to institutions in the United States through their on-demand liquidity. Why, guys? Because there's no contract with it. It's for the utility of the token in on-demand liquidity and cross-border payments. And that is a massive, massive deal right there. And I think if the SEC even was to appeal it, guys, they're going to get struck down. I think they know it, because XRP in and of itself, just like any other digital assets, and look at the Kraken decision that just happened. They lost there, and there's no such thing as a digital asset security. And guys, that's another major deal. And I think they're thinking long and hard about whether they want to appeal this and appeal that, adjudication of XRP in and of itself not being a security. Because, guys, if they lose there, they could literally lose in every jurisdiction when it comes to this digital asset space. I don't think they want to risk it. Now, right here, the resolution of the case, coupled with the bullish indicators, hints that XRP is well positioned for a strong price comeback in the coming months, and I absolutely believe it. Look, when Judy and I were in that last bull run, guys, do you know what happened? It was just tinkering along. The space was just tinkering along, and literally it was within the last 6 to 8 weeks, bang, just like that, it fired off like an absolute jetpack. It was something amazing, and it certainly revolutionized our situation, because where we started to where we ended up, it was life-changing for us. And guys, I want you to see this right over here as well. Look at this. XRP inflows right now are skyrocketing amid imminent Fed rate cut. And this is another major deal, guys. Don't think that the broader market doesn't have impacts on this market, because it absolutely does. Now listen to this. XRP, the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has witnessed inflows as investor sentiment heats up amid growing speculation of an imminent rate cut by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Now, Jerome Powell actually came out there Not only did he say there was going to be one rate cut, there's going to be multiple between now and the end of the year. And guys, I think he wants to drop it by 75 basis points. That is going to have huge impacts on all of these markets, on all of them. Don't kid yourself. Watch and see what takes place. I believe it's going to be absolutely stupendous and send a lot of these equities and digital assets into price discovery that we have not yet even seen. And certainly, I believe XRP during this next bull run is going to absolutely blow its previous all-time high totally away. Now, recent signals from the Federal Reserve indicate a possible shift in monetary policy deemed favorable for cryptocurrencies, like we just said there. After the market received news of potential monetary easing, cryptocurrencies saw a bullish wave from which XRP benefited. According to the most recent CoinShares report, XRP investment products received inflows of 300,000 because 0.3 million in the past week, coinciding with a broader bullish trend on the cryptocurrency market. And here's the little tweet right here where they're saying last week, digital asset investments products saw inflows totaling 533 million, the largest inflows in 5 weeks. Bitcoin, of course, was the main focus with the inflows at 543 million. In the past week, according to a CoinShares report released Monday, digital asset investment products saw those inflows, marking the largest inflows in 5 weeks. This surge followed remarks from Jerome Powell at Jackson Hole Symposium, where he suggested that the first interest rate cut could occur in September. Remember, guys, the first one, not the only one. Bitcoin was the primary focus, seeing a 543 million of inflows, indicating its sensitivity to interest rate expectations. Altcoins, like XRP, accounted for the rest of the inflows. Ethereum, on the other hand, saw outflows of 36 million. Now that is something to be interested in. At the time of writing, XRP was down 2.36% in the last 24 hours to that 59-cent range, reflecting profit taking across the crypto market. XRP had risen to highs of 63.1 cents in Saturday's trading session, where bulls had encountered resistance. Now, that's like that other article. XRP saw soft profit-taking Sunday and trading session, which continued into Monday, where we fell to intraday lows of 58.6 cents. Guys, it mesmerizes and amazes me that we still have the opportunity to get these things literally sub $1, because when they pop off, I'm telling you, I believe it's going to be absolutely amazing. Now, they're saying here, if the declines continue, bears may target the 50-day simple moving average support at the 56.7. If they do this, it could mean that XRP would remain stuck in the 41 cents to 64 cent range for some time. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, I will be gobbling it up like a hog if we get down there to that 41 cents again. If the recovery continues and buyers push past that, XRP might hit 64 cents. This guy, this article, he doesn't have too much faith. Guys, I have seen it happen. I've seen it happen. Look, when Judy and I were buying Cardano, and I love to bring this one up all the time, and it happened with XRP. I mean, major move, but Cardano, because of course it wasn't under a lawsuit and all that, we were picking it up at 3 and 4 cents. Do you know what happened? It went to like $3. That was like near a 100x, 10,000% move. Just a few $1,000s, because our goal was to get there. Just a few $1,000s worth hundreds of thousands at the top. That's how you want to think of it. Don't let yourself get totally fudded out by all of this naysaying and stuff, because guys, you're going to hear it. You're going to hear a lot of it. And then one day, pow, it just happens literally as if nothing, tinkering along, as in you wouldn't even know it. Bang! It just fires off, and you do not want to miss it. Now, guys, something else that I want to bring attention to is right over here. XRP Unleashed Documentary set for November release on major platforms. Now, guys, Judy was just talking to the producers of XRP Unleashed today on the phone. And I'll tell you what, look, they interviewed me when we were at the XRP Vegas conference there just this last spring. And I don't know, maybe I'm going to make the cut. Maybe I'll end up on the cutting room floor. It really doesn't matter because, guys, we are going to support this big time. They want to set up some personal meet and greets and things like that where we can all get together and even watch this documentary on a big screen. And I'm telling you what, guys, Judy and I are going to get behind this and we're going to see a lot of these things happen. And we are going to let you know what the dates, the places, the whole bit, where we can get together and have some meet and greets. But just listen to this article right here. Los Angeles-based production company Fruition Productions has announced that XRP Unleashed, its upcoming documentary, will be released in November. To reach a larger audience, the company intends to self-distribute the film via major streaming platforms such as Apple TV and Amazon rather than traditional distribution methods. The documentary explores the technical aspects and difficulties of XRP, a prominent cryptocurrency. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and other top executives were absent, although CTO David Schwartz shared insights. The production included significant research and interviews with major players in the cryptocurrency business, and they did interview us, but we'll see if we make it, to present a complete picture of XRP's progress and impact on the financial technology landscape. Fruition Productions is adopting a direct-to-consumer distribution model that aligns with evolving digital consumption patterns. This strategy allows the studio to maintain creative control and ensures the documentary is accessible without traditional media intermediaries. The documentary promises to give viewers unrestricted access to understand the achievements and the challenges XRP faces now. Check this part out. Alongside the documentary's release, XRP has shown bullish trends in the market. Recent analysis suggests potential significant growth with XRP's increasing price, which aligns with the optimistic outlook of financial analysis for the currency. The documentary will also touch on the broader implications of XRP's technology, particularly its utility in transforming traditional financial operations and enhancing cross-border transactions. Fruition Productions aims to deliver a balanced narrative that could influence both public perception and future market dynamics of XRP. The documentary XRP Unleashed is poised to shed light on the intricate details of a cryptocurrency that continues to play a crucial role in the digital finance realm, making it a significant release for both enthusiasts and critics of the crypto industry. Guys, we are getting behind this 110%, and it is going to be a major release, and I don't think any of us are going to want to miss it. Guys, when you see all this coming out and it's set for November, which probably in my estimation could coincide with some major price movement, because obviously we are going to see some big time Fed rate cuts that I think are going to have a huge impact in this space. And I'll tell you, when you see that we are printing the biggest bull flag in the history of crypto, that says volumes. Guys, don't miss it. Don't miss it. Get out there. Really research it for yourself. But I'll tell you what, for Judy and I, like I love to say, we have got our ticket. We are buckled up and we are ready to ride this thing right through the atmosphere, all the way past the moon and straight through Jupiter. So guys, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. When that last bull run literally took off, the one that Judy and I were a part of, it happened like that. It happened at a time when you would have least expected, and it shot off like crazy. And this is why I'm always out there saying, listen, you want to have your plan in place before that actually happens this go around. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.